Aloha! As you know, Kilauea volcano, in particular the Halema'uma'u crater, have been erupting frequently since December last year, 2024. To this date, 35 episodes have occurred. Many people from around the world fly over to the Big Island to witness this amazing spectacle. Fortunately, my husband and I were able to witness episode 23 and figure I share with you ways to more accurately predict when it will erupt and some tips as well when visiting the park. Now, I am not a scientist or expert in this field, just a novice person who is fixated on tracking the volcano at one point, and I found these resources helpful. And so I hope these tools will help you plan your visit to Volcanoes National Park. Planning way ahead of time, I often would check the USGS website. There are two things I would Google. One is USGS Kilauea Alert. This provides a detailed summary and analysis of its current activity. I often look in the analysis section to see when the prediction eruption window will be. USGS is very good at posting updates daily, and when there are significant changes in eruption activity in the same day, they will provide multiple updates. Another search term I Google is USGS Kilauea Tilt. I mainly focus on the third and fourth graph on this page. Basically, these graphs show Kilauea's tilt. Scientists use a tilt meter, which is a measuring instrument that measures the ground slope on a volcano. An increase in tilt means the ground is inflating caused by magma pressure buildup. When it is decreasing, that means there's deflation going on where magma is draining. From my understanding, the peaks indicate an eruption. So what I would do is just study the trends of this graph to get an idea. As you can see, right now it's kind of dribbling its way up still. However, it seems very close to erupting soon, just knowing how it's almost in range from the past peaks data. When the tilt graph looks like it's almost at its peak, I would then constantly check the USGS's live cameras on YouTube. They have 3 live cameras going on, one from each angle of Halema'uma'u crater. If you don't plan on visiting Kilauea in person or maybe just miss the eruption, at least you can watch the eruption at home, and you can also play back the live video. The live video can play back up to 12 hours. I have a strong feeling that it'll erupt tonight, just seeing how the lava's oozing out and the tilt is pretty high right now. Lastly, another tool I use is going on the Facebook group page called Hawaii Tracker. Aside from people posting their visits at Volcano and in general the Big Island, I look out specifically for posts from volcano experts Dane DuPont and Louis Tor, who would post volcano summaries and updates, sometimes with a live video post. They are part of HVERI, Hawaiian Volcano Education and Resilience Institute. They have their own website as well if you want to go directly to their posts. I just like this Facebook group page because I enjoy seeing all the Kilauea posts from everyone. And these are the tools I use. If you made it this far, here are the location spots to watch the volcano in the park. This map can be found on the National Park website. In red are the 3 main viewing spots. Anywhere along this stretch of the Crater Rim Trail and at the Volcano House are easily accessible. They are both just a short walk to get a view of the crater. A different angle, and to get a closer view, you will need to hike the Devastation 2-mile round-trip trail to the Keanakako'i overlook. It takes about half an hour one way each. I do recommend having a headlamp with you at all times to watch your footing, and please remember to be respectful and stay safe at all times. Once the eruption starts, I highly recommend going to the park as soon as possible to avoid the long line. Also, while you think you'd wait it out, let the crowds die and go later. You'll never know if the eruption will only last for a couple hours, that it stopped before you arrive. So definitely make your way to the park as soon as you notice or see it will erupt soon. It's definitely a game of opportunity, but so worth it. I hope you get to see Kilauea's eruption in person soon, and hopefully these tips helped you. Feel free to check out my video on episode 23 as well as my other Big Island volcano experiences. I'll provide the links below. Until the next one, aloha!